My name is Ankit Kumar. This is the second video on YouTube and the second challenge of my daily English speaking challenges. So today I came here to explain about what is communication skills. The main goal of this video is the remove myth about communication skills and English spoken, right? Because first of all also I study about this uh, mm, because I have started this series daily challenges and in speaking English and it try to improve communication skills, right? But I, we, but if we not aware about what is this, then how will I achieve this? So today let's talk about more deeply what is communication skills. The myth is that communication skills means English spoken. It is not. This is not true, right? Let's start with example. Two boys, one from Hindi medium and one from English medium. One day, a teacher assigned a task to solve a maths puzzle, right? And and they start same time and solve easily both, and in also both solution have right, but the difference is that when that time old man come and try to understand the solution of that puzzles, that time makes deep that time makes difference when they can't express their uh, uh, s- solutions, how they achieve this solution. Because the scenario was that Hindi boy, Hindi medium boys explain step by step whatever and how to solve this question. But when time to explain English medium boys, they don't they they get blank. They got blank. They can't express any uh, mm, solution that how to achieve to the output, right? The difference is that English spoken is not means communication, because if we not explain our thought, then wha- then how we will communicate to other people. Communication skills means whatever I know, whatever I want to explain, and whatever trying to explain, other people can understand easily. Eh, if each can other people can understand your explanation in any language, Hindi, English, or Tamil, etc. If other people satisfy from your communications, we can say your explanation way, your thought process, and how to represent your solution, then this is then we can say this is the right communication. Not only English spoken is the right communication skills, right? So we have two main goal to achieve: improve our first of all thought process, and a structured and organized way to represent our thought and additional come English speaking, and all together makes us a good communication skills persons to communicate any other to communicate with any other people, right? So this is my second video. You watched me in 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 past 5 minutes that I am not more speaking correct way, right? That's the reason to start my YouTube channel, because we know, you know, every person know, but what what when uh, when time to explain that thoughts in Hindi or English, right? If we not do this, nothing will uh, nothing, you can say, we can't progress in our life. Right, that's the reason why now I'm in our college ground, and um, I don't care about whatever people say, because till till second year of college I I thought people say what people say, what people say, what people say, what people say, that doesn't matter. They always say, right? They always say, but we have to do work on ourselves, myself, right? So don't care about other what they say. Start your journey together and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward, right? And learn from mistakes. Thank you for watching my video. Next, I will come from I will come with a new video. Thank you.